All right, now to national news. The U.S. Supreme Court agreed to hear oral arguments over whether former President Donald Trump can claim presidential immunity in the election interference case against him.
Yeah, and the case pertains to then President Trump's actions on January 6 and charges of the conspiring to overturn the 2020 presidential election. NBC's Bree Jackson is in Washington with details.
Supreme Court justices will decide whether or not former President Trump can use the defense of presidential immunity in the criminal election interference case against him. Mr. Trump has until March 19th to file his opening arguments. He's already made his case on the campaign trail.
If you have a president that doesn't have immunity, he's never going to be free to do anything because the opposing party will always indict him as soon as he leaves the White House.
An appeals court had ruled against him, saying former President Trump has become Citizen Trump with all of the defenses of any other criminal defendant. The Supreme Court's decision to take up Trump's immunity appeal, further delaying his trial, is seen as a legal win for the GOP frontrunner.
This is a victory for Donald Trump because it is a delay, a significant delay that will make it much harder for this case to go to trial.
Others raise concerns about the timeline of this case, fearing there may not be a verdict before voters weigh in the November election.
I think the American people are entitled to know who they're voting for. Somebody who tried to overturn the last presidential election or an absolutely innocent man. And the Supreme Court has all but taken that away from the American voters.
The Supreme Court is expected to hear oral arguments the week of April 22nd. In Washington, Bree Jackson, NBC News.